All right, you guys, so what I'm going to do is...
Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel and welcome back to another video. So you guys, we're doing a collab today. It's Crocktober. I'd like to thank our hosts, Jenny's Scratch Made Kitchen and Tony from Kettle Kitchen.
All right, you guys, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this Old Orchard Healthy Balance apple juice. If you want to see, it only has 5 calories, 1 gram of carb, 1 gram of sugar. So this is more of a healthy version. I'm also going to use 1 bottle of the sparkling ice, orange mango. Try to get a little bit of citrus in. I'm going to use some of the Truvia Sweet Complete, a little bit of cinnamon, a little bit of apple pie spice, and a little bit of this orange extract. We're going to put this in our crock pot. We're going to put it on high for a couple hours and just let it steep. We are going to keep the top on, but after it has steeped and it's ready to serve, you can actually pull your top off and just let that be an aromatic into your area.
So I know everybody is probably doing a meal for their Crocktober submission, but I just thought that I would do a beverage. Depending on what area you're in, it could be cold. I know here fall is settling in. There are cool, crisp mornings. We do still have some higher temperatures in the afternoon, but the evenings do get a little bit chilly. So what we're doing, I thought I'd just make this warm beverage. Everybody likes a hot apple cider, and I'm just throwing this together as it has populated into my brain. I've made this before using different ingredients, but these were the ingredients that I decided to use today. This can be put together very easily and simply, and it can be considered keto friendly because there is very little sugar in any of the ingredients. We're using a Truvia. We're also using the Healthy Balance apple juice, which has only about 5 calories, 1 sugar, and then we're just using spices. So this really can be for those who are, diabetic or just looking to have something that does not spike your blood sugar. What I'm doing here, you guys, is I'm actually filming a reel and a video at the same time. We have 2 phones going, but again, I'm just adding in my spices. I'm adding in a little bit of orange extract because we want to give it that little citrus zing. One of my subscribers said that sometimes they'll even add in the cinnamon hot candies just to give it a little bit of a zip. So here we are, we have all the ingredients in. We're going to give this a good stir, and we're going to put this on high for about 2 hours just to let it do its thing. It's going to all meld together, and then we're going to be able to sip on this throughout the day. We're going to be hosting Friendsgiving in just a few weeks, and I think this will make the menu. It's going to be about 4:30 in the afternoon, so getting on towards a crispiness, and it's going to be in November, so I'm sure it's going to be a little bit cool. This is going to be a great little addition. Again, if you're looking for just something to warm your bones while you sit by the fire, or warm your bones while you sit outside at your fire pit, or if you're sitting on the front porch spending a little time with Jesus, there this is. And I got these pretty little glasses from the Goodwill. So here we are, just spooning this up. I wanted the kids to give it a taste. I'm not really a big taster of the things that I cook. I know some people are. But this is so simple that you can throw this together in less than 5 minutes. Leave it. And after it's nice and steeped, you can let it be aromatic. You can also put cinnamon sticks into your glasses just as a stirs, or you can put cinnamon sticks into the pot and let that be aromatic. You can also throw an orange in there that is has cloves in it, and it will give some aromatics. So again, here the kids are. They're going to give it a taste. Cheers to all the things. And we have to be real careful with sister. Sister does not like new things. She has to decide if she likes it. So jury is out, and let's see what she thinks. She thinks it's pretty good. Jackson has a good taste. And so what we thought we'd do is actually give you a bonus recipe, keto style. We're just going to do a little Mississippi roast. I had a roast that we took out of the freezer and we needed to cook. We're doing this in the evening, about 10 o'clock at night, so that it is ready for us the next morning. We're going to add in 1 brown gravy packet. We're also going to add in some ranch dressing. That's what we're adding in as well. And then 1 stick of butter. We're doing this, like I said, in the evening because sometimes we're out most of the day and we don't have a lot of time to do meals. Even if we put them in the crock pot, we're out for long periods of time with work and different errands and that type of thing that we have to do. So we're just doing our ranch seasoning packet right here, and we're going to add in our faux pepperoncinis. We did not have any, but I had previously made some hot pepper vinegar using jalapenos and dragon peppers, and we're just going to use these to give this roast a little bit of flavor. I don't think it hurts anything at all to use up the things that you have in your fridge, freezers, and pantry. We're adding in 1 stick of butter, and we're going to let this go in the crock pot until morning. And here it is. We're just going to add some sides, either some white rice or some mashed potatoes or some cauli rice if you want to keep it totally keto. But there it is. Thank you guys so much for stopping by. Like, share, and subscribe. We'll see you next time. Bye now.